with a distributed system. In distributed system, just a collection of a number of autonomous machines. Okay, in that system or in that environment, we just gather or collected a number of autonomous machines. After collection or after gather a number of autonomous machines, that all machines are connected to each other. Okay, that is exactly process, exactly situation in the distributed system. After connected, that time we can share, we can distribute a number of information, number of data, number of softwares, number of things to another machines, and another machines also share the informations on data to a previous machines. That kind of a systems are activated continuously, properly and successfully. That kind of a things, that kind of a process is the distributed systems. Okay, now in distributed system there is a number of machines are available, number of middleware services. Middleware services means what? One particular machine just provide a service to another machines. Okay, means first machine just provide a service to another, first machine just provide a service to second machine, second machine just provide a service to a third machine, then third provide a service to a fourth, or otherwise the fifth machines. That kind of things is a distributed systems. Okay, in distributed system there is a work is a continuously happens, or continuously sharing process or happens possible. Okay, now in that systems number of machines are connected to each other, number of machines, number of autonomous machines connected to each other. That is exactly process, exactly situation is a distributed systems. Now focus to here is some advantages of a distributed system. First one is a reliability. Whenever we just create a distributed system properly and successfully, that time this particular process is a reliable process. Now what about a reliable means what? Means one particular machine just provide a service or information to another machines, then another machine just provide a particular reply or particular feedback to a previous machines or a sender machine. That kind of things are happens continuously in that system. That is a reliable process. Now next one is incremental growth. Incremental growth means what? Whenever we just create a distributed system, that time we can easily add a number of machines in that systems. That is the incremental growth. Okay, then sharing of resources. Whenever we just create a distributed system, then we can share a number of input devices, number of output devices properly and successfully. That is the sharing resources. Now what about the flexibility? Flexibility means what exactly? When we just get a proper reply, proper feedback, proper response through this system, that is exactly a flexibility process. Now next one is the speed. In that system, when this system was continuously going on properly and successfully continuously, that is exactly happen through a speed. So that time that particular speed is a very high level in that system, and when the speed is high, then automatically we just get a proper performance and best performance through this system compared to other operating systems. Now next one is the disadvantages. First one is the troubleshooting. Now it's a quite possible whenever we just create a whenever we just add a number of machines in that systems, that time each and every machines are continuously in a sharing process. That time we cannot find out easily bugs and errors in that system. So that's why this is troubleshooting problems or occurs in that systems. Okay, means each and every machines are successfully going on continuously, each and every machines are continuous activated. That time we just cannot easily find out where is exactly bugs or where is exactly troubles or crisis occur in that system. So that's why this is troubleshooting problems occurs in that system. Now next one is the softwares. Okay, whenever a particular machines or number of machines share the information to another machines or softwares, that time is a quite possible in that software. Suppose just a viruses or errors or occur, that time that particular software also share to another machines, and that particular softwares are shared in that in a whole system. That is exactly software regarding problems occurs. Okay, now next one is the networking. Networking is what in that system, that particular system is also regarding a networking, but unfortunately this is a particular distributed system. Means one machine are connected to another number of another machines. Okay, that time suppose that it's quite possible one particular machines are fail, destroy or collapse. That time that particular machines are lost the connections to a number of machines. Okay, so number of machines not get the information, and data from those machines are failed and destroyed. That is exactly networking regarding problems or occurs in that system. Now next one is the security problems. Okay, security means what exactly? Here is in that system very less security available. Okay, as compared to other operating systems. Now next one is the complexity. This particular system is a very complexity or complicated and sophisticated compared to other operating systems. Okay, means what exactly? This is exactly networking regarding systems, but unfortunately, and we just connect one machines to connected connected at a time to another number of machines. Okay, same funda. First machine connected to another all machines, second machine connected to number of machines, third machine connected to number of machines. That times in that case the number in that case sometimes security regarding problems are occur, sometimes links and cables are fail. That time networking regarding problems are occur, then security regarding problems occur. That is exactly disadvantage are come to here. Now here is the manageability. Manageability means what? This particular system is a very complicated and networking regarding problems will occur, security regarding problems occur. So that's why these particular systems are very tough to manage. Okay, so that's why the manageability disadvantage is also available in that systems. Hmm.